Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to register a CAENexus add in DLL when we are dealing with SolidWorks as a CAD modeler. Now, before going into the detail, let me tell you that CAENexus it runs as an auxiliary application or the plugin on top of SolidWorks, and in order to run it as a plugin we need to register CAENexus add-in DLL with SolidWorks. So this way we can just launch CAENexus from SolidWorks. So with this, let's see the details now. You can now see here we have installed the CAENexus 2.10 version, and this is the installation directory. So whenever you will install the CAENexus, you will find these files in the installation directory. Now from here, you have to just right click on this shortcut and you have to run it as a administrator. Please note that you have to run it as an administrator only for the first time when you install the latest version of CAENexus. So you can see here now it's asking some details. So we'll just select the FANXS workflow. We'll select the SolidWorks here, then the CAD version, and this checkbox will decide whether you have to run CAENexus in UI mode or non-UI mode. So if I'm checking this checkbox, it means I'm opening CAENexus in UI mode. If I don't check this, then CAENexus will get opened in non-UI mode. At the moment, I'll just on this checkbox and I'll just click on launch. So this will launch my CAENexus in UI mode. Yes, you can see here my CAENexus is launched in the UI mode. That is, you can see the SolidWorks user interface. So this way you can just make sure that you have registered the DLL. So just close this, and once you close that, then again you'll have to close this command prompt as well. Yes. So this is the first step that you have to carry out when you are dealing with SolidWorks, and this will make sure that your DLLs will get registered properly. Now let's verify whether our DLL are registered or not. There is no need to check that, but just for your information, I'll show you how one can verify whether the necessary DLLs are registered or not. So for that, again, you launch the CAENexus. Now this time you don't have to launch it in the administrator mode. You can directly double click on the shortcut, then just click on the launch icon. Yes, so here you will go in the tools, then you will go in the add-ins, and here at the bottom, if you see the checkboxes here against the attribute and load CN, it means your add-ins are registered. So if you're not seeing this checkbox, it means your add-ins are not registered. But as I said, there is no need to verify these things. If you do the step one properly, then your add-ins will get registered automatically. One more thing is, once you move your cursor onto this DLL, then here you can see it is highlighting a path at the bottom. This is the path where that DLL is present. So it is in the installation directory and it is against the CAENexus version which is installed. Same applies to this as well. So once I move my cursor onto this, you can see it is highlighting a path of DLL which is registered. So you can verify that whether it's taking the path from the correct installation directory or not. Now with this, then you can start using SolidWorks with the CAENexus either in UI as well as in the non-UI mode. So thanks everyone, and let's now meet in the next video.